Hi, I just wanted to touch base with you before we end this really crazy school year. If you've been working during uh, e-learning and staying in contact with me and turning your assignments, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And hopefully that's been helpful to you. If you weren't so successful with e-learning, maybe you had technology issues, perhaps you weren't motivated, maybe you had other things that became a priority in your life, which is understandable. Please don't be too hard on yourself. If that was you, it's all going to be okay. I really enjoyed being in the classroom with you, and hopefully you got something positive out of the class. If you are a freshman, sophomore, or junior, maybe I'll get to see you again in the future. If you have questions about other classes that I teach, you know what my email address is. If you are a senior, please keep in touch with me and let me know how you're doing and what you're up to. My emails will not change. It's always the same. I'm really sorry for you seniors that your high school career has ended in this crazy way. It seems horrible now, but you've got all kinds of good things to look forward to and lots more memories to make throughout your life. So this isn't permanent and we'll all get through it, but I know it's not how we intended for things to be, but it's going to be all right. You'll have interesting things to tell your grandchildren, what life was like during the pandemic someday. For now, just have a great summer. Do well your last week of e-learning. Take good care of your mental health. That might seem obvious, but if it's not, please make sure to make your mental health a priority if you have not already. And stay safe with whoever's in your household with you. Stay healthy and safe. Hope you have a fun and relaxing summer. Bye.